Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. It is peach season, and so we are talking everything peaches in my house. And we are also talking one of my favorite dishes, which is salads. So just know that you can switch things out in this salad to whatever it is that you and your family like. So in my family, we like spinach. So I started out, the base is spinach, but if you like romaine lettuce or whatever type of lettuce you like, you can start there. But we started out with some spinach, and then I put some red onion. Again, if you like different onions, go with what you and your family love. Then I added some tomato. I have some cherry tomatoes that I sliced in half. Again, go with what you like. We have cheese. In my house, we do feta or goat cheese. Today, we use some feta cheese. And then some chicken. Now the chicken piece, if you want to grab a rotisserie chicken or you want to cook up some chicken breast, chicken thigh, whatever part of the chicken you like, I just seasoned it up a little bit of salt, pepper, sauteed it. Amazing. Then we got an apple. Again, pick whatever apple you like. And then I got a nice ripe peach. Make sure it's not too soft, not too hard. Get the perfect peach. Dice those up. Put those in the salad, and then I topped it off with a glaze. Now, some people like a little oil vinegar, whatever salad dressing you like. This salad is all about options. Just make sure you add the peach, okay? So at the end, you get this beautiful, beautiful salad. Again, so we have spinach, feta cheese, red onion, cherry tomato, chicken, apples, and a peach. Can you say delicious? Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe. I promise you, you will love it. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Close Mentor.